Hi guys, welcome back to SpeedCube Ninja. Today I am going to show you a few more flags of countries on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel as this motivates me to make future content. Let's go. So, the first flag is Denmark. We keep white facing us and red on top. Then we do R prime, F2, B2, L, R, F2, B2, R prime. Now we have the flag of Denmark. To reverse this, we do R, B2, F2, R prime, L prime, B2, F2, R. The second flag is England. So we keep red facing us and white on top. Then we do R prime, F2, B2, L, R, F2, B2, R prime. Now we have the flag of England. To reverse this, we do R, B2, F2, R prime, L prime, B2, F2, R. So the third flag is Djibouti. We keep white facing us and orange on top. Then we do L prime D, L2, U, L prime D, U prime, L prime U, D prime. Now we have the flag of Djibouti. To reverse this, we do D, U prime, L, U, D prime, L, U prime, L2, D prime, L. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe down below and like this video. Don't forget to join our Discord server and answer the Google forms both in the description below. If you want to watch more cubing content, I will link some videos and playlists here.